80-year-old retired nurse and returning resident fatally stabbed in Hanover. Businesswoman gunned down in Westmoreland. Taxi operator robbed of licensed firearm at funeral in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Hanover police are probing the murder of an elderly returning resident who was fatally stabbed at her home in the parish on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as 80-year-old retired nurse Patsy Allen of Kendall, Hanover. Reports are that relatives discovered Allen lying in her house with multiple stab wounds. The police were called, and upon their arrival, the senior citizen was taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead. No motive have yet been established for the killing. The Westmoreland police are probing the murder of a businesswoman who was gunned down in the parish on Saturday afternoon. A man was also shot and injured during the attack. The deceased has been identified as 27-year-old Sh0t Cardell Whittingham, otherwise called Pookie, of Brighton District, Little London, Westmoreland. Reports from the police are that about 3:30 p.m., Calder Whittingham and a man was pounced upon by 4 men at Cooleytown Paradise, Savannah Lamar in the parish. The assailants opened gunfire, hitting them, and then escaped from the scene. The police was summoned, and upon their arrival, Calder Whittingham and the man were seen lying on the roadway suffering from gunshot injuries. They were transported to hospital where she was pronounced dead and the man was treated for his injuries. A 71-year-old taxi operator was robbed of his licensed firearm after leaving a funeral Saturday afternoon. The brazen incident occurred in broad daylight on the premises of the Runaway Bay Tabernacle Church along the Runaway Bay Main Road in St. Anne, police reported.